Mesdames, Messieurs, chers amis, bonsoir et bienvenue. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good evening and welcome to the Oscars night for the industry. I am Bruno Cohen, the chairman of the Independent Voice, the Galien Foundation, whose mission is to celebrate and advocate for a very precious tribe. You, the innovators in the labs, and your colleagues who work tirelessly to give the very best access to your innovations to the patients. We are here tonight to say merci. Who can say how many millions of lives you save every year? And who can say how many hundreds of millions of individuals have their quality of life improved every day thanks to your innovations? We are here to say thank you. And I would like to present the Galien, the USA committee. The intellectual rigor of the committee makes the reputation of the Prix Galien USA, and it is my privilege to introduce you the members of the USA committee.
Richard Axel, Nobel laureate, co-director of the Kavli Institute for Brain Science at Columbia University Medical Center in New York. Michael S. Brown, Nobel laureate, professor of molecular genetics and internal medicine at UT Southwestern Medical Center at Dallas. Lori Glimcher, Cornell Provost for Medical Affairs and Dean of the Medical College in New York. Joseph Goldstein, Nobel laureate, professor of molecular genetics and internal medicine at UT Southwestern Medical Center at Dallas.
Robert S. Langer, David H. Koch Institute professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Paul A. Marks, President Emeritus and Laboratory Head of Cell Biology at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York. Bengt Samuelsson, Nobel laureate, former president of Karolinska Institute and former chairman of the Nobel Foundation. Marc Tessier-Lavigne, president and professor of the Laboratory of Brain Development and Repair at Rockefeller University in New York. Roy Vagelos, chairman of the Awards Committee, chairman of Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, and retired chairman and chief executive officer at Merck. Elie Wiesel, Nobel Peace Laureate, professor of humanities at Boston University and honorary member of the Galien Foundation.
For many of you, today has been quite a long day, starting early this morning with the Galien Forum. I wish I could individually thank the 40 key opinion leaders who came from around the globe to address the most critical issues that the scientific community faces in order to make our world a better place. If you look at the Golden Book placed at your seats or at the screen, you will realize the impressive quality of this forum. Among our new initiatives at the Galien Foundation, I am very excited to announce the creation of the UBStart Awards, which will reward the most promising healthcare startups. The expertise of the members of the jury shows the importance of this award in the eyes of the international community. All our achievements at the Galien Foundation have been made possible thanks to our sponsors, our corporate partners, the institutions and friends who share our values. It is my pleasure to introduce them to you.
First off, the 3 platinum sponsors of the Galien Foundation are Alexandria, the landlord of choice to the life science industry. Allergan, our pursuit, life's potential. And Oracle Health Sciences, the leading provider of innovative technology solutions for the biopharmaceutical and healthcare industries. We would now like to acknowledge our leading corporate partners for their pioneering commitment to our mission. Johnson & Johnson, we collaborate with the world for the health of everyone in it. The Pershing Square Foundation, which proudly supports young innovators and pioneers in cancer research. We are delighted that the 2014 Pershing Square Son Prize winners Adolfo Ferrando, Agata Smorgeska, Lloyd Trotman, and Si-Hong Wong are here with us tonight. And the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. Furthermore, we proudly introduce our associate corporate partners. Accorda Therapeutics. Joining us tonight is CEO Ron Cohen, who has been a great advocate of the Prix Galien since the beginning. Bristol Myers Squibb. Together we can prevail. FTI Consulting, helping biomedical leaders communicate the value of innovation. Cadmon is a global biopharmaceutical company built on a 21st century paradigm for the translation of innovative science into treatment. The chairman, Sam Waxel, with us tonight. Merck, be well. Novartis and Science and Passion Connect, innovation happens. And the City of Lyon, a city site dedicated to the life sciences. The silver sponsors of the ceremony are Covance, solutions made real. Deloitte, a global leader in bringing accounting and consulting solutions to the life sciences industry. There are a few other contributors to acknowledge: Publicis and Henry Schein. And from Caudalie, who wishes to present you with some small tokens from Paris. In regards to our ceremony, we wish to recognize several distinguished individuals who have been extremely supportive. Maggie Macario, Ambassador of the Principality of Monaco in Washington, D.C., and who has been instrumental in bringing the Prix Galien France to Monaco. The visionary Arnaud Latour, Director of UBI France USA. In addition, we wish to turn your attention to an important message from the Mayor of New York City, Mr. Bill de Blasio. These statements are all contained within the gold booklet, which can be found at your seat. We also wish to send a special thank you to our dear friends, Salomon Capitas at KVB Partners, and of course, Leetitia Perienti, Arnaud Lacaze, and Michael Parker for their commitment to the Galien Foundation. Further, our sincere gratitude to the following organizations and institutions for their experience, insight, and continued patronage. Advanced Medical Technology Association, President and CEO Stephen Ubel is with us tonight. The Biotechnology Industry Organization, President and CEO Jim Greenwood is with us tonight. The New York Academy of Sciences, New York Biotechnology Association, New York City Bio, New York City Economic Development Corporation. Also, we are extremely fortunate to work with outstanding media partners and friends who contribute to the Prix Galien's renown, such as Inception Digital, Free Mind Group, Makovsky and Company, Pharmaceutical Executive, PM360, PR Newswire and Multiview, and the Wall Street Journal. Jonathan Rockoff is in attendance this evening. Last, but certainly not the least, the advisory board members of the Galien Foundation, including Gilles Bosch, Lee Davies, Cynthia Ekberg-Tsai, Shari Gersten, Mark Goldstone, Kimberly Ha, William Looney, Christopher O'Toole, Peter Pitts, John Moore, Barbara Ryan, Philippe Chazan, and Zev Sherrill. And a special thanks to Medio Digital for producing tonight's event.
Before giving the stage to two of our most unwavering supporters, Steve Rosenberg and Joe Marcus, I would add a personal touch by thanking from the bottom of my heart Marion and Elie Wiesel, who started this journey. I wish you all a fabulous night in the museum. Bonne chance to all the nominees. Merci.